So Henry Cavill built his own gaming PC a few days ago, and it is not a surprise that the complete PC community lost their I have also not seen any celebrity of his level building a PC before, and something as niche as this getting mainstream attention and someone like Henry doing it is really an amazing thing. I was going to build the same PC he did, but some parts he chose won't be available in India for a month or two, and by that time this will be old news. So we will just talk about the components that he selected. The CPU that Henry chose is the AMD Ryzen 9 3900X, and I actually found the choice to be pretty interesting because he could have easily gone for the 3950X, but he still chose the 12-core CPU instead of the 16-core one, and I think that was a really smart decision as you really don't need a 16-core CPU for gaming. The motherboard of choice is the ROG Crosshair 8 Hero, and this is a pretty standard choice for higher end builds. It is a great board in every way, so I don't have a lot to say about it. The GPU is the Asus ROG Strix RTX 2080 Ti, which I have also featured on the channel, and this was not a surprise because he would go for the best one available. Nvidia Ampere is going to be released very soon, but I don't think that upgrading to it will be a problem for the Superman. We have 2 sticks of G.Skill Trident Z memory, and it is 16GB each, so we have a total of 32GB RAM. Not really needed for gaming, but I don't think that he looked at the price list when shopping for components. The case is a Fractal Design Define 7, and it is a pretty professional looking case, so you know that the Witcher actor is not a fan of RGB fans and other gimmicks. The cooler is the NZXT Z73, a very good 360mm AIO liquid cooler. It also has an LCD screen that can show the temperature and other stuff, and this is the component that I wasn't able to find in India, and there was just no way to get it for the time being. Other than that, we have Samsung's 960 EVO NVMe SSD, pretty standard selection, and I don't think that he installed any hard drives in it. For the monitor, I have seen different websites quoting different models, but I am pretty sure that he used the Asus ROG PG27UQ, the 4K 144Hz monitor that I reviewed a while ago. Just seeing the size of the box and the bezels, I am pretty sure about that. And it is of course amongst the best gaming monitors. 4K 144Hz, G-Sync, HDR, it really has everything. But of course he turned off the Asus ROG logos because Asus doesn't like being subtle about things. Like this is their mousepad. The keyboard is a Razer Huntsman Elite, top of the line board with optical mechanical switches, so it is a great choice for this build. A Seasonic PSU was used to power this build. With the titanium badge visible on it, it looks like it is the Seasonic Prime TX1000, 1000 watts of power, which is much more than enough for this build. So overall, that was a pretty great build, and it is really amazing to see that he built it himself because he could have very easily just gotten an amazing pre-built PC with similar or better specs, or he could have asked anyone to build him a custom Witcher themed PC, and any brand would have done anything that he asked for. Companies would have made their employees name their firstborn after Henry if he asked for it. But he still chose to do it himself and even recorded it himself, so if he wasn't already one of the coolest celebs in PC space, this just made him the most popular content creator in tech. He also built it pretty well, like applying the thermal paste and putting RAM sticks in the correct slots, which even some of the experts in tech have gotten wrong. And the cable management was also pretty good, way better than how I do it. So everything about this build was pretty well thought out, and it really doesn't look like he had someone helping him. So that was it for this video. Let me know if you will be interested in watching me build the same PC after a month or two. I'll have links to these products in the video description. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it or a thumbs down if you disliked it. Subscribe with bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.